How to fix Instagram app not opening in iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open your app store. Now search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update your Instagram app to its latest version. Updating might fix your problem. Heading towards next solution, close this. Open your settings app. Scroll down, open the option general. Open the option iPhone storage. Scroll down and head towards the app Instagram. Once you find it, open it. You will find the option of upload app. Click on it. Click on upload app. This will clear all the cache of the app. Once you upload the app, again click on reinstall app. After you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, go to the main page of settings. Scroll down, open the option general. Scroll all the way down. Click on shutdown. Now you have to slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, again turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix Instagram app not opening in iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.